Hi fellow agents, this is Pam Lofton-Wells from Memphis, Tennessee. I have been an agent for over 25 years and also a second generation nationwide agent. In our transition of becoming independent in 2020, we felt that it was best to start with an agency management system. We don't know what's going to happen to client management and all that information that Nationwide has on our clients. So the sooner you start transitioning, the more information you're going to be able to transfer over to your management system. Now, I am biased. I love my EZLynx, so I would suggest EZLynx. And so why would I suggest EZLynx? First of all, I love their training. I wanted to give my associates an opportunity to have time to learn the system. You have a university that you can send your associates to and they can play with a system that's not yours and get familiar with EZLynx. I also wanted to include them in the decision process because they're the ones that use it day to day. The things I think every agent will utilize and which has been very beneficial is text messaging. Those text messages, actually that's how now the millennials like to communicate. You can save those text messages in EZLynx. And what it also does is email. Aren't you tired of copying and pasting in Nationwide? That's all they do, copy, paste, copy, paste. Well, here, you don't have to copy, paste emails anymore. The workspace that you have with that client, there's so much there. You're not going from one system to another. You're staying in EZLynx. And you can go look at documents, you can go look at your emails. Our service has been so streamlined because of the contact notes. I'm actually able to follow a customer and what's happening with that customer as my associates are taking care of them. The time that it saves is worth the money. I'm telling you, it really and truly is. And your staff is going to be so thrilled at the fact that their lives are going to be so much easier. The things that the independent agents have had, the time we could have saved over the years. I can't express enough how much we have enjoyed and how EZLynx has improved our morale. It has increased our production, and overall, we're less stressed. It's the best thing I've done in the past 25 years.